Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we'll discuss to you guys on how to write a program that will ask the user to give a string, and then our program will simply remove the vowels in the given string using Microsoft Visual Basic.net or VB.net. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. And please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, we have here a form. Remove vowels in VB.net. Give a string, give a result. Text box 1, text box 2, and then we have three buttons. The OK to process, clear the text box, and quit to end the program. Now let us go with the OK button. Double click. So we have here a function that I wrote. Remove vowels. Val input a string. I declare a variable here, vowels a string, E-I-O-U, capital in small, and then string. For each C, for character input, if not vowels here, contain C, then we increment here. Okay, so it will remove. And if return 0, meaning it will remove here with a blank. Okay, return result rather. End of the function. So here, we have the clear here. We have a text box 1 equals double quotation to clear, text box 2, and then text box 1 that focus to focus the cursor in the text box 1. Now, in the quit button, we have only here end, no? So the OK button here, when we double click, we have here a declare variable result string as string. We call the function remove vowels, and then the passing parameter here, the text box 1 that text to remove, and then the text box 2 we will display the result string. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us click the play button here. Give a string, let's say for example Bacolod City. When I click the OK button, it will display this series of characters. Click clear. Let's say Microsoft Visual Basic.net. When I click the OK button, here is the result. Clear. Last example, basic programming. When I click the OK button, we have here the result. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on remove vowels in VB.net or Microsoft Visual Basic.net. Thank you so much for watching. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.